Hey guys, how are you doing? Hope you're doing well today. It's freezing, this is why I'm in this, and it's currently snowing outside, but it's not settling very much, so that's fine. But today I've got a Asos haul for you all. I did a little online shopping on Asos, which seems to be quite a regular occurrence, but I did only spend £37.92 and I got 6 items. Most were in the sale. They had 20% off as well, so originally it would have been £47.40, but like £9.48 came off and I got free delivery. Because it was over, I think it's over £30 now, it used to be over 20. But yeah, I'm going to go through what I got. As it is coming into spring, but not really by the looks of the weather outside right now. But you know, it's February, March is up next, so spring is kind of nearly here. I thought I'm not going to buy any more jackets or anything, and I had my eye on one on H&M, but that has now gone out of stock, and that was in the sale, and I don't need it. But there are a few more springy items in here to work our way into the spring months, and hopefully we'll be out of lockdown by that point, fingers crossed. The first item I picked up was this t-shirt, which is just a beige coloured t-shirt, and it's got black and white like stripes here, and it's also on the arms like this as well, I believe, and I'm not sure if it is oversized or not. This is called the Asos Design Organic T-shirt with tripping. I think I had this problem last time in off-white, so it's like a creamy colour, and this was £10 originally, £5 in the sale, and then I got 20% off that as well. So this is what it looks like. I got it in a medium because I wanted to be a bit oversized, like with everything, and it's very similar to, if you've watched my last ASOS video, I'll link it up here somewhere, which was in January. I got like a tealy coloured one in this colour, but I do quite like this colour, and I don't think I have much stuff in this colour, and you know, spring, hopefully we'll be able to wear t-shirts. Next up is another t-shirt, and this one is just a white one, but then has a stripe across the middle. This one is quite boxy and oversized. I got it in, does it have it on here, a medium, but it must have been, it says relaxed t-shirt. This was £5.40 in the sale. Originally it was £16, but then I got 20% off £5.40 as well. But it just has a stripe detail in here, which is actually different colours. You've got like a grey, a brown, a white and a blue, like a navy blue stripe there. It's probably not picking up on the camera. It didn't pick up on when I was actually looking at it on the website either, but it was just like black and white. But yeah, just a nice oversized t-shirt. If you've been on my channel a while, I did have a t-shirt from like a long time ago. We're probably talking back in uni days of it was Top Man, which had two navy blue stripes on, which I loved, but I wore it so much, like the underarms and stuff went yellow, and it was just getting old, so that went probably quite a long time. But I really liked that t-shirt, and I wanted to replace it, even though it's been quite a few years on since that. But yeah, it doesn't have it on the back, that stripe. Can you see? No, it's not letting me just, yeah, which is a disappointment, but the stripe on the front will be fine. It is quite large, this one, so we'll see. As you can see, look, it's at the width of the screen, so we'll see how that goes. I will hopefully be trying on all of this for you. Next item, I'm not going to take out the bag because I actually got some more masks. These are my favourites because these are the only ones that seem to be on Asos that are triple lined, and they're a free pack. They're originally £12, they went down to £4.05 in the sale, then I got 20% off on that, so it basically makes them £1 something each, and you just get a blue, a grey and a white. I have since, I think I got these in the last haul as well, and they are the best ones, and since then I have done another order and got these for most of my family as well. I got some boxes. These are nothing to be excited about, I suppose. Just got them in like neutral colours. These were originally £12, went down to £18.15, and then I got 20% off of that for a free pack of boxes. I thought it was really good. Never tried ASOS boxes before. My favourite ones are Levi's, but They're going up in price and I don't really want to pay how much they are. Boxes are freaking expensive. It's ridiculous. Next up, I got this grey, oh, it's up and upside down. I got this grey sweatshirt, which has got a zip on it. Now, have you been on my channel before? Does the zip smell? This is the test we must do. No, it doesn't. Anyway, this is from Burton, which is sold on Asos. Who will know? Who knows if it will be sold on Asos in the future, considering they're now owned by Boohoo. That was like officially announced today. This was originally originally was £25, went down to £10.80, and then I got 20% off on top of that. So that's really good. I got it in a large because I wanted it to be oversized, but it's just a big grey sweatshirt with a quarter. Sorry about the screaming. That's my downstairs neighbours. It's just got not a half zip, like a quarter zip. I really like this style, and it's actually got a B on the zip, which is a bit of extra detailing. There's no pockets or anything, and it's actually got a B. You won't be able to see that, can you? Yeah, like a B there as well. But yeah, hopefully that will be nice. Last item now, and I got an overshirt. I haven't caved to this trend yet. I've seen loads I've liked, but I have now caved and got myself one. This was, how much was it? So originally it was £35, went down to 14 and then 20% off on top of that. It's by Jack Jones, which is a brand I've never delved into before. That might be a good brand to try on like brands I never try kind of video or never look at. But basically it is a, what kind of colour do they call it? Kangaroo. Okay, but it's like a beigey khaki brown colour. And it's just it's a thick shirt basically, which is what an overshirt is, isn't it? But yeah, spring, I wanted to get into more, I wanted to get into more springy stuff, and this is a springy item, like a light jacket. I get hot anyway, so wearing a big coat anyway is hard for me, but actually this was quite nice with that white t-shirt I showed you earlier with the stripe on, which has got it's got like a brown in it, so it kind of matches that tone, and also goes well with that beigey colour, so like kind of a monochrome look, even though it's not exactly the same colour, but you know, same tone. And even if it fits, I doubt it will because I got that grey sweatshirt in a large. If that fit underneath this, that would be quite good. But anyway, it's got pockets on here. Oh, okay, one with a flap and one without. Yeah, so, and I got it in a medium. Did I say that? Because I wanted it to be, you know, a bit oversized, because I wanted it to be a bit oversized shirt, but I know at the moment I'm getting shirts in mediums anyway, but hopefully I want to have it for longer than this period, but who knows how long the overshirt trend will go on. But it's not like a too thick one, so you could just wear it as a shirt as it is anyway. That was my haul from Asos. I picked up quite a few things in the sale again. I only ever seem to buy stuff in the sale because, you know, that's when stuff is cheaper. But yeah, I hope you guys are all well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have you got anything from the Asos sale? Did you buy anything from the Asos sale? Let me know in the comments below. Sorry I'm wearing this massive like fleece, but it is literally freezing today. It said it was like, feels like -7 outside, and I can believe that because I just walked to my local shop to get my order. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Instagrams are linked below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.